So welcome to Easy Watermarks. I'm just going to quickly explain how to use it. It's pretty easy. You would use the menu here on the left. Don't forget you can go into full screen mode, which is nice. And you basically just activate or deactivate options. So let's say you activated your logo, you upload a logo. You can see the image here on the right side. You can change the resize settings below it. The logo settings are over here. Make sure you read all the different settings because there's a lot of different ones. Um, Anytime you go to press update a product, it will apply all of the settings that are turned on. So you see the green lights here. So all of these are turned on except for stickers. So stickers need to be applied to specific products because it adds a product tag to the product. So anytime a product is processed and it sees a special sticker tag, it'll add the sticker if you have it activated. Um, these are automatic stickers, so they'll only be added if the conditions are met. So it has to be a new product within a certain amount of days, out of stock. It has to be out of stock or on sale, and it'll add one badge. If it's out of stock, it'll just add that. If it's a new arrival, it'll add that. Or if it's on sale, it'll add that instead. So it's in that order. It'll choose one, and that's it. So you can just basically activate the settings you want. You can see in the preview what it'll look like. You can change all of here. You have the compression is built in, so you don't need a compression tool. Be careful what other apps you're using with this app because they can overwrite the files and you can get double watermarking. So you should deactivate any photo editing apps, photo compression apps, some SEO apps that rename photos, and you'll always be able to restore as long as you do that, as long as you don't have any conflicts. You can also add, of course, background images. And then you also have these custom collection area where you can see some of the customized things you've done. If you've watermarked them in the app, they should appear. You can also see some of these custom products. Um, you also have your queue. Anything that's in your auto watermark, you can see in the queue, and you can watermark it right away if you need to. You should also take a look at your membership settings where you can turn on the automatic watermarking if you're a member. Also, be really careful with this setting. Make sure that it's correctly set. Otherwise, you won't get all of your. If it's not set to all products, it might skip products. But if you only want to watermark the collections that you've watermarked, um, keep it on this one instead. If you don't want to watermark all your products, so just be careful with this. The filter is very advanced sort of usage. If you just want to watermark specific products based on any of these, and I'd also recommend turning on the SEO file names and SEO alt texts if you haven't. And if you really want to customize the file names and the alt text, you can install SEO King. It's another app that we have where you can. It's free to install. It doesn't add any code to your site on installation, and you can customize the file name patterns and the alt text pattern so that when you watermark with this app, it'll use those settings, and that's totally free to do. You don't need to buy a membership for SEO King for this. And you can also take a look at the Google Shopping solutions that SEO King offers. Um, and yeah, you should also maybe install Swap Photo Editor, which will let you prevent certain photos from being watermarked if you want. You can use this app, also free to install, free to use for this specific tool, where you can just skip specific photos or even unwatermark specific photos, edit them, and you can come back into this app and watermark them. So yeah, I mean it's pretty easy. Once you get a hang of it, you just change your settings, press update product, update all products. It's not a problem. It won't double watermark.